Georgia, Cash 3. Going to show you how to get the numbers using the 063 rundown pick 3 draw, LNumerisLotteryStrategies.com. Look at the date on the right side, February 27th. The number for midday came out 319. So we're going to feed 319 into the generator, and it'll give you the grid. And in that grid, if we look around the nines, we should see our numbers for evening and night. So let's look for 746 in the grid. If we look around the fours and the nines, we'll see that 746 is there. You have to use your mirrors and flips. It's in two locations. The first one is right here by the 4. It's a 714. That's your 746 right there. And then if you look down at the nines, you'll see that at the other 9 rather, you'll see the 746 is there as well. So here's the 9. Here's the 9 up here. That's the 9 is the 4, the 1 is there, and the 7 is there at the top, right under 319. That's that. You got to look at it, mirrors and flips. All right. Let's look for the second number, which is 273. If we look around the 9s and the 4 again, that's the night draw. We'll see that 273 is also there. Look at the 9s in the bottom of the screen. It's right there, 973. It's also here at the top. 973 or 739. It's all connected. So for all you newbies and all you people who don't understand it, it's very simple. No matter what generator you use, you should be looking around your mirror, which in this case is the 9, and you're looking at your day sum. I'm sorry, look at your day sum, which is 9, and the mirror of the 9 is 4. Okay, so all around those numbers are your draws. The tip here, the pro tip is, you need to make sure you use your mirrors and flips. All right, sometimes it comes out straight, sometimes it doesn't. If you want to see another view of it, you could also input the number 319 as a mirror. So that number flip would be 864. That's the mirror of that 319. All right, so if we clear it out, we use the same date, the 27th, and instead of 319, we put in 864. Let's see what we get. Generate the rundown. And around around those 9s, we're going to look for 746. All right. Remember, 1 is 6, and each number is the number plus 5. So for the 746, if we're looking for that, we have, let's see if it's here. Right at the top in the 864 that we put in, we have the 746, 647. It's right there at the top in the corner. All right. And then let's see where else it is. We could use right by that 9 in the middle. That 2 is a 7 as well. So we could look at that and we see the 962, which is the 746 again. All right. So you guys just got to look at the grid, and you got to really practice and hone your skills. After you're doing it for a while, you'll start to see this. All right. You'll see it. And if you look down here at the bottom, your numbers will probably be down here in this grid at the bottom of the screen. Okay, it does come out there. So, all right, so in the grid, that 273, which is the night draw, the 273 is the 8 is the 273 is right here, right connected to the 4s. Right, 827 is 273 because that 8 is a 3, that 7 is a 2, and the 2 is a 7. So you could do that right there. All right, another place it could be the 273. Just looking at the grid, right here between the 9 and the 4, it's a 222, but it's the 273. So that's the same thing. So you want to look between those mirror and the mirror, the day sum in the mirror, and those numbers will be connected like all the time. All right, but this is just using the 063 method. What you could also do is try the different generators and do what I just showed you. Put the number in straight the way it is, like 319. And then you can mirror that, which would be 864, and try it in different generators, and you'll see the patterns in there. So you got to find out the patterns. All right. And it's also telling you here in the hit sum in the mirror section here, it's telling you where you should be looking between the 9 and the 0, the 4 and the 5. They're all connected. Those numbers will be inside. All right. Be sure to share this, like this, follow, subscribe, leave a comment where you're playing from, and good luck, and we'll see you on the other side.